This is the first of a series of 3 videos in which I create some watercolor oak leaves and acorns. In this first part I wanted to show you how I mix my colors. If you're new to watercolors or if you're interested, I wanted to include this part as well. I start, of course, by mixing my colors. I know what colors I intend to use. I'm creating a few greens and a few browns. I'm using for my light green, I'll use yellow ochre, lemon yellow. This is a mixture of yellows with a bit of I think different greens. I think something like this would be my light green. This is an olive green and this is a sap. Let's put the rest here for a lighter shade. And I'm trying not to make my mixes very watery because I want strong colors. Now I'll create a darker mix. So this is the sap again and some olive. My manganese blue is granulating, so I like to add it, and I'll add a bit here. I like the effect of the granulation. Don't do this with your finger too much. Okay, so this is a viridian. I'll use most of it here, maybe a bit for the darker green. And I want this a bit more natural, so I'll add some ochre. I love this ochre, such a beautiful color. I think this is one of my must-have colors. And this is a phthalo blue. It's very thick, so it's, I think the term is staining, so a little bit goes a very long way. I think this is a nice color. And for this one, add more viridian. Still too bluish. Take some, what's this one? I'm not sure, it's another kind of green. Maybe emerald, something like that. Okay. I think this is good. Now for my browns. This will be the dark brown. Put some of the brown here. Let's get some water in. A bit more. It's nice with preparing my shades, because it's already putting me in the mood of my... It's a nice way to start preparing for what I'm going to do. Okay, so here I want some purple. I really enjoy darkening my browns with purple. Let's get the excess here. Maybe a bit more. And I'll add some Payne's Grey that already has my brown in it, because I used it yesterday. I'll create not enough. Okay, I think this is good enough. I don't need a lot of it. How about this mix? I want to have full colors. I think this is nice. This is red iron, red oxide, something like that. And this is too reddish. I think this is better. I like this color. Okay, I think I'm good. Okay, so I'll use the ochre. Let's get this bronze mixed here as well. Okay, my dark brown, I need more brown here, I think. Too much. Okay, good. Some greens, I'll dip into this one as well, and maybe the pure sap and olive, maybe the manganese blue as well. I don't know, we'll see. Can keep playing with it, but I think this is good enough.